Hey everyone, Laura with my very own quilt shop here with a little tips and tricks video. Not doing any glamour shotting today. I just came home from a massage, but I wanted to get this done because as you can see over here, we'll have Scott Pan there. And this is when my cameraman was available. I've got a whole pile here of square and square units to make. Now, normally I just kind of eyeball centering the fabrics because there's usually just, a small number and they usually get trimmed down. These are going to get trimmed down, but due to the sheer volume, I wanted to see if I could somehow streamline the process, maybe come up with a little bit easier way to do this. So here's what I came up with. So first thing, the center square is 3 3/8. So I flipped my mat over so I could work with the lines, and I marked the top and bottom of where I have my square lined up. Then I got out my ruler, and the center of 3 3/8 is, well, it's easy to split the 3 1/8. You get 1 1/2 plus, or 3 1/4 plus another 1/8. But then you've got to split the last 1/8 into a 1/16. So you end up with a centering line right here in the middle of two 1/8 marks. If you have a ruler with 16ths, that would make that a little easier. Then, working from the other side, I can pretty easily eyeball that and that. And again, we're trimming down so it doesn't have to be super exact. So that was my step one. Now, then what I did is I turned this around because I know my square is centered, and I marked again on my mat where my triangle points will be. So now I should be able to, and I will admit to not testing this part, so this is the test right here. As I go to add another side, I should be able to just lay my square or my half triangle on there, line up my points, and pin it in place. And I also don't always pin these when I have just a few, but in this case, I'm going to make a whole stack to chain feed through the machine. So I am going to stack, lay it out, pin, grab the rest, and then do assembly line piecing. So hopefully this helps you. It will work with any size square and triangles. You just draw your marks. I used a, whoops, jostling the light there. I used one of my Pigma pens because I had it handy to mark my mat. You could use a skinny Sharpie, whatever you have on hand. But hopefully that will make my process of doing all of these half square triangles. I am working on, I should have had this handy. I am working on the Wish quilt, and you can see we have a lot of square and square units. So that is a block of the month that we have going, and I'm working on the sample. So hope this helps you out, gives you some ideas for maybe some faster, easy piecing for these. I call them fun units. They do add a lot of dimension to a quilt, but some people do hate them because they're a little putsy. Maybe this will help you out. Thanks for watching. Bye.